Today, big city day. We're going to the south, or basically we're going to Kuta, Denpasar. We need to do some shopping, and for Anna and for us a little bit. We haven't been in Denpasar since we visited Mahide in Seminyak. Quite a long time, but it's usually happens when you live here in Ahmed. You are not going to south that often. I know people who've been like going every evening if they want to have some fun, but that's definitely not about us. The same thing also happened when we lived in the Philippines. In Ahmed, we have everything we need, so there's no big point to go there that often. By the way, this is only for the history. Last night there was a heavy rain for about 15-20 minutes, which is absolute nonsense. Never been happening before since I'm living here. This is the 5th year I'm living here. Pretty strong rain. You can see everything is green and fresh again. The girl's trying on different shorts for technical diving, so then they have pockets. I'm just walking around and like just considering what to buy. I think the best option at the moment for here in Bali, I mean the price and quality, the best option is actually Z Pro wetsuits for the rental for the dive center. So it's so easy to check, so we can easily see. Then there is a zips on the sleeves and also here, and the price actually here, it's with a dive center discount, it's 1,950,000, which is about, how much is it? It's about $80. I think that's the good price. And the same company, I will just show you how it looks like. That's the company. The same also is they have really good booties at the moment. It's like 300,000. It's like, how much is it? 18. It's $24 per booties. Definitely back home we can get cheaper, but because of the import taxes in Indonesia, everything becomes really expensive. So that's why sometimes when people arrive and they say, "Oh, Martin, maybe we can buy some equipment here," I always recommend to buy back home. I'm at a Kuta beach right now. You know, it's like the shopping days are so tiring actually. I don't know why, but in Bali there is no one big shopping mall where you can get everything. There are smaller ones, a little bit more provincial, like in a province. If you want to really do some serious shopping, then you have to buy a ticket and fly to Jakarta. Then you can get everything you need. Usually Kuta beach is really busy, but now it's almost only the local people and no one else. Day is over. We just did a stopover at Chandidasa just to visit Tonya, to drink some coffee. So now we're gonna go back to Ahmed. It's another 40-50 minutes to go. The one thing I would really want to say you, the shopping is not for me. I don't know, the shopping is only for the girls, because for me I need a plan. So for example, I have to buy this, and then I just buying it and I'm immediately going back home. Well, the girls always going through and looking for something new, and they just checking what you can buy in this shop and that shop. So finally it's already 8 p.m. and we are still not in Amen. Tomorrow we will do diving finally, and I'm happy about that. That all this going around and shoppings and going to the south, it's, I don't know, it's like a kind of nightmare. And what if I can skip it, then I always trying to do it. Sometimes then we have the situations when we really have to go and buy something, but like if I'm thinking about what we bought today, nothing really we bought, but we spent so much time on going from one place to another one. When I was on the beach, then I said that there is no any really good shopping mall. Actually, the the beach walk shopping mall or shopping center is pretty okay. This kind of something I can imagine as, that's something I can call shopping mall. There's everything you need. There is some good restaurants and places to eat, good cafes. At the same time, everything is also well organized, with some like a kind of garden with the carps, with the fishes swimming around. So not bad place. But the rest of the shopping malls are kind of, I don't know. It's definitely, when I comparing Jakarta shopping malls and Bali shopping malls, the Bali shopping malls are like a downgrade a little bit. It's a big, huge difference. I don't know why it's like that. Why we have so many tourists, and all of them really need some shopping malls, but it's kind of, I don't know. Would be great if we have some shopping mall in Ahmed. So then definitely I would just stop going to the south at all. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.